Hi, welcome to this second video of mine about the Arduino, and this time I want to see if I can make a program and upload it to this e-brace and see if I get something to work. This I do using the e-brace manual, and here it says I can use the light module by writing a command with an example like this, and it also says I have to include these two header files, controller and registers. So let me start by putting those two in. It's C language, so I have to write include and that's a spelling mistake, controller.h, and another one. Registers. After this I will try here to put some actual code in, and for this I will use controller.light_write. And it has to be reg_light_red for red light. And then 255. So in this Arduino IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, let's verify it. It has an error compiling, and it says it misses EEPROM.h. So let's see, include library, and here is an EEPROM library, so maybe that will be the solution. Let us try again. Verify, save sketch folder as. Let's save it in my own directory, Arduino, and I changed the name to light. It has some error messages. It says there's no such thing as a registers.h, which is weird because it says that it should work and be there. So let me see again if it is there. Maybe it is not even needed. So if I take it out, let's see what happens. It says register light red was not declared. So how can I use it when it is not there? Interesting, because controller is there obviously. Maybe if I put it up a little, no change in controllers here. No. So this library obviously is not there. Did I write everything correct? Controller is only capital C. Yes, everything is there. REG light red. It says exactly like this. So let me put it once again. Registers.h. And remarkable is that these two are obviously recognized and this one isn't yet. So let us do it again. Still errors compiling and no such file or directory. So what we can do is find in the manual whatever may happen. This brings no solution. Then I can find here and obviously this is the fun of doing something live. It shows no mentioning of registers.h. And if I remove Arduino, there's something very different. So I do assume that something is not quite complete. It is not declared in this scope, it says. However, this is in C global. Not correct. You include everything on top, and from the controller, and that's a bit weird. Because on the one hand you obviously include controller, which is this, and it doesn't know registers.h, the header file. So how can it, so those are two different errors. This controls the red LED. So on one hand, I think for now we can delete the unrecognized header file. On the other hand, it doesn't recognize the register light red for the red color. And that I will have to find out, because this is a weird thing to happen, and since this is a live thing, a live experiment, I do not know how to continue. So probably in the next video I will show you how I can solve it. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you another time for another Arduino video. Thank you for watching.